welcome to my video here. We're back in the book, and we're going on a hike today. Whoa! There's a really good dog.
Hey guys.
And he has his own channel now. He only made one, right?
Yeah.
Or did you do it? Yeah, and what is it called?
I can't see it.
Okay, so you can't say it. And say hi, Anakin. Hi. So me going somewhere right now.
Yeah.
But I see regular dogos like this, but I picture. I like the picture. It says regular dogo for movies. Videos I make always end so fast because I don't have that much space. But hopefully I
continue on Skyhaven Lane for 3/4 of a mile.
And I'll see you one more time. So guys are here now. Here, let me show you guys. See if I can. You want to show them?
Sure.
The view. Beautiful view. Look at that. All of that we're gonna walk on. So let's go. So guys, ooh, it's really windy out here. Just a little windy.
It's challenging.
Very challenging.
They're doing.
Where's the little boy today?
Let's see.
It just takes a
All of that.
They're doing.
It's like mountain biking.
You guys can see it.
But it's not fun.
Oh.
Look at those cactuses. Hey.
Anakin?
That can hang off to my case. Oh my god. Read the
Just
margin.
put that case on there. It's fine.
Okay. So, where are we going? Looks like a long walk.
One wrong step to the right and I'm done.
Okay, look at those cats. You guys can see them?
Did I touch it?
No. Poke if you want to see.
Viejilla, ¿verdad?
Let's go down. If whoa. Step. Step at the step.
I want to touch that.
Whoa. Go down here.
This must be on the leash. This apple on the leash.
I need a leaf. Fart porn. Lost name game on. Game.
It's Gamora.
Oh, game on.
A lot of stuff. Well, not a lot of stuff, but just now.
So you guys stand right here real quick so I can get the hill on the background.
Okay, we'll be right back. It's gonna take us. So now we're on the. Hey, on the
Which way do you guys want to go?
whatever way is safer.
Nah,
I don't want to get eaten
I want to.
by lions. No.
That
So
way.
the lake is that way.
Oh yeah, let's go this way.
And
Yay!
then look, maybe we can go through here.
Oh no.
Or do you guys want to go that way?
This way.
We can go through here.
There.
Okay.
Through here. Just pay attention, please.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Las culebras.
Oh,
Yeah, stay in the middle of the trail.
There's snakes here.
Remember that hat? You're gonna wear it.
Yeah, you're just.
are you still recording?
Yeah.
Bike.
So. Whoa. Looks like. Wait, are we going to go that way and then there's going to be like a lake over there?
Just pay attention where you're going, please.
There's some here.
Just keep an eye. Let's not make a big deal.
Well,
So we leave you guys at home.
could we keep one?
Just stay in the trail.
Can we keep one? Oh, that's man.
And we can catch it.
Oh. Look, it's a stick. Or is it? Where should we go?
Now we should
Come here. This is a little somewhat.
have to go in the front.
No, I just wanted to know.
You freak me
I
out.
follow the guy on the bike. My friend. So,
Yeah, if you guys see somebody on the bike coming, we'll just get to one side. Just so they
if
can
he comes this way,
put the hand in the back.
who's that?
Wait, gosh, what is that out there?
What?
Is that an alien spaceship?
Where?
Up there. You don't see it? Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's probably an alien.
No, it was an airplane.
You know. I should have brought my glasses.
That was an airplane.
I should have brought my awesome glasses, the futuristic ones. Yeah, that's
Forgot.
mine.
That was an airplane. It wasn't an alien spaceship. If it was, it would be so cool. Found out aliens are real.
Hey, that's mine.
Why you fold your socks like that?
Wow.
Just stretch them out a little bit.
So?
You look like a... I won't even say.
Mommy, my feet. What is that to right there?
Your feet are a little...
Rabbit distortion.
It's habitat restoration.
Is it rabbits?
Rabbit. Wow.
I'm smart. I'm
From in school.
We far away. We far away from my house. What's this stuff here? Mom,
Are you recording?
yeah. Far away, Mom.
Yeah, it's far away.
You can always give it a little break. You know how to pause it? But first, let me take a selfie. Careful.
Selfie stick. It's so long.
There's a 50% chance I might get bit. Look at that become a snake.
It's so long.
I hope you don't get bit. Hospital's not too close. So.
Oh, man. Oh,
We love you.
snake can bite.
Hi.
I'm gonna grab it by the head.
We the merchants.
And then we keep them on the tails.
So they have to block off
Rabbit
Not-
distortion.
habitat.
Oh, the lake. It's so cool. It's so sunny out here. I was going to grab my cat. It's fine. I did bring it.
Look, there was a snake here.
Jonah, that's a bike.
It was a snake.
It's sick.
No, this is a bike.
It's sick. It's sick. Yeah, that's a bike. No, I think that was shoes. It's bike. With the bike. It's bike. Snake's here. You're gonna get eaten by a snake. You're gonna get eaten alive. That bike.
Hey, if I get bit by a snake, I can be on the show. I shouldn't be alive.
Let's see.
Which way should we
Go
go?
left or
We
straight?
can go, let's go
Go
straight.
straight because it goes that way.
Dog.
Yeah, the dog.
Wait, look at the lake right there.
Yeah, we're gonna go, I think we're gonna see if more alive.
Oh yeah. Whoa, that's far. But it's fine.